Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by heating the Injoy chocolate right away, no long setup. Place the pouch in a warm water bath or low fondue pot. This softens evenly. Once softened, cut a small corner and squeeze chocolate into the pot while stirring, so heat distributes and prevents scorching. Make sure to add 1 to 2 tablespoons cream or oil if texture looks thick. This helps fluidity and coating. Keep stirring for 1 to 2 minutes until glossy, then lower to a gentle simmer and maintain temperature. Once the chocolate is flowing, you focus on consistency and heat control. Stir in a circular motion, scraping the pot sides, because even heat prevents graininess and keeps shine. If the chocolate seems tight, add 1 teaspoon warm cream at a time until you reach desired coat. If too thin, remove from heat and let cool slightly. Make sure to keep flames low. Boiling will seize chocolate, so monitor temperature and stir between dips to preserve texture and flavor. You finish by arranging dippers and guiding guests. Spear, dip, lift slowly for an even coat. Once serving, keep the pot on the lowest heat and stir occasionally to prevent skin or separation. If the chocolate starts to thicken, reheat gently and add 1 teaspoon warm cream or neutral oil while stirring. This smooths texture quickly. If the mix becomes grainy or split, whisk briskly or pulse in a small blender to re-emulsify. Enjoy immediately, and reset heat as needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.